circle is there, that is the main bone. So that you are going to make it little bit up. Okay, and from here, which line you have joined, you are going to go inside, and from here you are going to come outside. So it gives a triangular effect, little bit triangular, not a very much. Shape it. I'll just shape it. Give a very nice shape for it. Second one, just a little bit ahead of it. So I'm just taking the same measurement, how much it is coming from this part. I'm going ahead, marking that point. This is a little bit up, so you can make it
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
From the recording, I was having a little trouble making the legs.
Okay, what happened? Show me how much you have done.
My
Open it. Yes. Yeah, it is okay. Proper. This is this space, this much, that you are going to go ahead. How much is this distance will be the same ahead or for the second leg. Both the sides will be same.
okay.
Vedika Reddy and Dhruvi, open your videos. Now I can see from here little bit the 3D effect of the body. So giving a little bit outline for the, which is completely black, but giving a separate effect of leg. Just a line. This is original line, and this one is a slightly, two lines are there. Krishang, are you drawing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Just sketch it.
When can you side the printout? Yes.
I'll shape the tail. Now can you see there is first a small circular tail inside, so that will come inside this point, the point where we had made the S-shaped body. So there, touching that point, I'm making one U shape. It's not a U, a circular one.
Excuse me, ma'am. What do we have to do with the Fevicol and the cornstarch?
The texture. first we'll make the design, whole,
Excuse me,
whole we will make this design, and then we'll make the texture.
ma'am, I'm going to do the art. So how will we close the artifact if we make the texture?
I didn't get you.
We
Texture will be on the background. Inside that you can make any design, whatever you want. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I make this design?
Yes, you can. Yes, ma'am. You can.
Thank you, ma'am.
But then when I'm starting with the design, you're going to make it and go slowly. It is not that you'll have to complete it. You can do it afterwards. Okay? Now done this. Go, I'm just giving an outline. Then I'll, when I'm designing it, that time I'll go inside with my pen, gel pen, and I'll make it. I'm going to keep my black paint also with me, because just for the purpose that wherever the dark, more black is there, I'm just going to add dark black paint so that it will be fast. There are three feathers which is seen here. So first, the second one, it's overlapping to the first one. So first I'll make this one, and this is coming from inside. It's not touching my outer line. It is inside. So if I erase this U, see, I'll erase that and I'll show the design. Shape. This is the shape. So Shri Nitya, the shape is like this. It is not inside the U. It has little bit outer this side. Grant and Arish, if you don't want to open your video, you can leave the class. And Arish, if you are not going to answer the question, I have taken a permission from ma'am that I am going to remove you. I am not going to wait for Amit sir to come and remove you. Okay? Yeah. If I am asking 2 times, Arish, show me your artwork, and if you are not showing, on that point, I am going to remove you from the class. I have taken the permission from her. Yes. Done. See the shape. I have erased the reference line purposely so that you can make a shape. This, the wing or the tail, whatever is there, it is giving a this. Sharanya, have you done it? Have you sketched the earlier one? Okay. Yes, Om, you have sketched the. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Sharanya, show me yours. Vedika Reddy, show me yours. Krishan, wait, I'll see everyone's. 1 minute. Sharanya, hold it a little bit up. 1 minute, Vedika Reddy. 1 minute. I'll just see everyone's. Okay, Sharanya, show me the top. I'm able to see from here. Yeah, okay. Someone I said that take this from inside. Someone has taken this like this. Outer curve was there. So I said that take it from inside. Dhruvi, okay, it is okay. Yes, Iraira.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes, Parth. 1 second. Iraira, it is okay. Yeah, Parth. Parth, this curve, it is going to go inside. Don't give a hump here. Hump has come. What has happened in your case? You have given a S curve properly and then given a little bit hump and then joined it. No, give a flow to the S curve. Just go straight down and join it. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Vedika, hold it straight. Very good. Vedika, this tail has come very nice. Very good. Yeah, Vedika Reddy. Yeah, Vedika Reddy, show me. Very good, Vedika Reddy. Very good. I can't see the B. Just bend it down. Yeah, show me the up. Yeah. Very good. Vedika Reddy. Yes. Nandini. Very nice. Nandini, you can start with the design. Okay. Others, Agran, show me Arish. Arish, hold it straight. Very good, Arish. Very nice. Arish, don't make it dark. Now it is okay because it is black, but don't make too much dark. Now first erase the line inside. This reference lines, you can erase it afterwards. Yes, sure. Krishna. Shivani, very good. Shivani, you can make this, the down part is then a little bit big. Proportion to the bird, this should be almost equal to one head.
Okay, ma'am.
So make it big. It is looking stout, that's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't see the face. Just hold it down. Yes, it is okay. Very nice. Prisha. Yes. Grant, can you show me yours? Iraira. Very good. Okay. Now first only erase this. Grant, you're supposed to show me. Just show me. First erase only this part. Inside one. Don't go on my. I've drawn too much dark. Yes, Grant. Very good. Grant, this tail can go little bit big. The size of this tail is equal to the size of the face. So just see with the hand whether it is, I feel it is little bit small in proportion. So just increase it. It will look very nice if you give the same size. Everyone from yourself, if I must have missed, I have not seen, but just check this tail and check the head. It's not that perfect same measurement, but by hands you can check the distance. As I said, the proportion of head is to body is 1:2 or 1:3. And what is the proportion, you know, for the wings? It is body to wings. So if body is 1, the wings becomes 2.5 for any bird. It's always very big. The feathers folds and it becomes of the shape of the body. Okay, should we start? You can take your gel pen. Wherever, what I'm going to do is, wherever you are supposed to fill the black shape, I'm just going to mark first cross, and as I said, I'm going to load my black color of this or poster color, or you can load acrylic also, or if you have brush pen with that black, that also you can load. Rangila color also you can do, no problem.
Now can I load with this?
Which one?
Poster.
Yes. That pen, na, you can do it. Okay. Now I'll start the ear. First I'll start with the beak. Beak is very easy. So first here there is a black part. So I've put cross. I'm not going to make it with the help of this. Wherever the black is there, I'm going to load more and leave the white. I'm referring to the reference picture itself and I'm making this. So now I'm going to erase this circle.
Ma'am, do we have to make the line dark like
Yes, because it is black. That's why.
Ma'am, you have
As I said, you can have your. Yeah, I've erased this circle.
Ma'am, you have put dot here.
Okay. No, dot, it is not, it is cross. I'm going to load this part with black color so that I'm
Where
not.
cross is and where the line is made.
Huh?
Where cross is and where line is made, we have to do black here.
No, wherever the more black is there I have put the cross. Otherwise, I'm just making the design.
Where we have not to put design, we are putting cross.
No, don't put, you just see the design and do it. Wherever I'm going to load that cross with the color, you can open this on your mobile and see the reference picture. See where I have put cross now. I'm just going to, not with the gel pen, because it will not give a proper flow. To have a very nice this, I'm going to go with the pens, I'm going to load the black color. So here it is like this. It is completely black for the big.
Ma'am, are you using a pen?
No, I'm just showing. He wants to know why I put cross. You can use anything, whatever you want. I want this part black. If you're making the same design, that's all. You can make with the pencil also if you want. Brusto pencil is there. It is like a oil pastel. You can use that also.
Ma'am?
Yes, Arish?
Ma'am, that also, that in acrylic it will smudge.
No. Why it will smudge? If you
No,
if you do it very carefully, it will not smudge, Arish. That's why I'm saying now, just do the design wherever black is there. Make it black afterwards. So how to remember that you'll have to do it black. So do something, this. My cross is for my remembering that I have to load there black. You can make your own this, whatever you want to make, how you will remember, so that you can make it or make a lines or anything and just do it afterwards.
Ma'am, I was meaning that is it optional for acrylic?
Yes, it is you can, no problem. Only thing, when you load, just give it to dry.
Ma'am,
Then only, yes.
are we gonna outline the whole bird's body with the black pen?
Not I'm not outlining, I'm making that design. That's why I'm doing. So I'm making the same design. You can make a different design. If you want, you can do a simple design also. Whether I'm having right now. That's why I said, no, you can search. Just, I'm also not going to make everything. I'm just making.
Ma'am, can we make it a little bit different, like
completely different, you can make it.
Okay.
Full permission from it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
like I am doing what you are drawing, but can I add some things in it?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you go a bit slower, please?
No, design, I'm going to go with this only. You can make it afterwards because I just want to show the texture. This is design, I'm doing nothing. I'm just copying the design, what is there inside the art picture. So here there is no shaping or nothing. I'm making the same design.
Ma'am, we can make the design completely different, right?
Yes, completely different. Those who want their own type of design, they can make that design. you are free to make any design. Okay? No problem for me.
Can I do triangle?
Yes, you can do, but at least it should have some meaning. Yeah, for doing purpose, if you are doing, then I'm not allowed it. You should do it with some proportionality. Go on this Google and see that simple design for, with the help of your this, put the reference artwork on it, and you can see give a simple design. You'll get a simple design. Yes.
Ma'am, is it toucan?
Yes, it is token. Why?
No, because usually some birds are a takan or some kind of takanabu. Like I was
No,
asking.
this is, we are just taking the basic word, Arish. For CDA, there are no different. I said now for CDA, the study was also not there. So we teachers insisted that we will introduce so that something different will be done. That's why it is introduced. Otherwise, to tell what is the body shape and what it was not there. It has started right now. Only the proportion was being given. Okay, just do. Make the design. See, I'm making it, I'm removing, I'm not made 4 lines. I've made only 3 lines. Then also I have searched for this design, very simple one, so that you can do it fast and you can do it easily.
Ma'am, so this is some type of like mandala art?
Yes, this is a type of mandala art with lines. Line mandala art it is said. Okay? When you go with a floral one, circular one, that is a floral type of mandala art. This is the fastest one. Yes, Sharana, are you able to make it? Any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vedika Reddy, are you able to make it? It's only lines. Can you see? I'm just making a lines. One is the
Ma'am, I can
standing.
make it, but I'm still so back of you. I'm just starting the bake. So I can even do it in my house, ma'am.
Yes.
But
Only
it's I may do it tomorrow because I have an
it's
exam
okay. It's
tomorrow.
okay. No problem. As I said, na, you can do it afterwards also. I'm just showing
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to
I'll
make
do
it.
it by the next class. I'll complete it by the next
No,
class.
no problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after this, are we going to do something in the body or just outside the body?
We are going to make the texture. I'll sketch this fast, 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll make the texture. Okay?
Ma'am, where, ma'am? In which body? Body?
Outside. No, not on
Okay,
body. Yeah, outside.
Okay. Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we make a design from our own imagination?
You can, but it should look nice. Only thing is that, okay? I don't have any problem. The cross means here I'm going to completely make black.
And that, ma'am, that's what I did.
Arish, you are going to do it very nicely. Yeah? This is black and white and you can do it very nicely. Go slowly.
Ma'am, I have done this.
Now I'm going to erase this circular head from top. Okay, for eye first, we'll keep the eyeball and just color the whole area. That is reflection, we'll keep it. And I'm just coloring the eyeball.
Ma'am, can I color the eyeball?
Yes, you can. And then after that, I'm giving one more outline, leaving the white. Whatever important instructions is there, na, I'll just tell. Otherwise, the design, it is, we are going to continue with the same design, what is there. Okay, now I'll first outline here. Now, from this design,
Ma'am,
like
you
a
are
petal, just, yes?
Ma'am, you are doing with gel pen only.
Yes, I'm doing with the gel pen. Wherever the black is there, I'm leaving it like that.
Okay. Ma'am, in this art, are we going to do any outlines or no outlines?
Where? No outlines. You're doing this one. That's why I'm doing outlines. I'm going to leave this all shape what I have made white and remaining I'm just going to make black. So that's why I'm drawing, making cross there. For I just make this design. Go with the lines below the eye. Three lines. Then make a small line, 1, 2, and again go with the this is the face appearance. Nothing, just make a outline like a eyeball, half U or A, then two lines are shorts and again the two line big one.
Ma'am, can you see my design?
Wait. I'll see it. You can make it, I'll see it afterwards. No problem.
Ma'am, while I'm doing it, sometimes the design goes a bit one line, one extra line, or one a bit less lines or something. Some mistake is happening.
It's okay.
Is that
No,
okay?
it will not be viewed as a mistake. It will be seen as a design itself. Nobody is going to,
Okay.
I'm not going to see that how you have made a perfect design, what is there in the reference picture. It should be properly
Okay,
done.
ma'am, can I use a big thick pen?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can you please see it once?
Yes, once. Yeah,
I made all the designs.
very good, Vedika. Yes, Parth, are you able to make it?
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Okay, show everyone, show me. Very nice, Nandini. Okay, one by one. Ira, very good. Yes. Yes, Om. Very nice, Om. You can make your own design, no problem. You can continue. You want to make this, you can make this, or you can make your own, or up to here. Just go everywhere, no problem. For the leg, I'll show, okay? Got it? Oh?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, others. How much you have done?
Ma'am, I have done just week now.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, what did you use the cornstarch for?
For the texture outside the this. I'll show you. Wait.
Ma'am, can you see
Yes.
mine?
Yes. Show me. Very good, Sharan. Just give a center line to differentiate between the upper jaw, a beak, and the lower beak. Like this. This line should be there.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, Ruby. Very nice. First, I'm making the design and then erasing the reference this, so that it will be easier for me to make the design. Wherever black is there, don't forget to give a black shade up, because in between there should be a dark black line. In between you can make on your, after making 3-4 lines, just make it dark. Can you see? And there are some areas where I've left black itself, making a cross. Remaining lines you can make very thin, no problem. And see, if you want to make somewhere white and by mistake if you have loaded black, leave it like that only, and after some time load the white paint and leave it to dry, and then only do the go ahead at that place where you have loaded white. Okay, it is not that if by mistake it happens you can load white there.
Ma'am, can you see mine once?
Yes, wait. Yeah, very good. Anyone, if you're feeling it's very difficult, you can go with a simple design, okay? Or don't do it right now. I'll just see whether if I get any simple design, I'll just share it in the group. No problem. This is also simple. If you'll go with the flow, you'll come to know nothing. Give an outline to one shape and just make some lines inside it, some dots inside it. Lines will be slanting, sleeping, standing. Yes. Yes, Harish. Very good. I'm doing nothing. I'm doing just one shape, giving that shape, and inside that, I'm making the lines. Now here, I'm giving a curve lines. Yes, anybody is having difficulty in doing this?
Ma'am, we have to make this our own design for the legs and tail also.
Legs half will be black, completely black.
Okay, ma'am.
One
And
side
tail?
it is having this. Yes. This is blacker. The 3D effect, this will be blacker for everyone. The one line, what line we have left, that is the 3D effect. The other leg is from that side. So just make this black and join it to the bird's first one. This effect
Ma'am, but
should
I
be
made
there.
it like because they gave in the picture they gave this song.
Yes, same
already,
thing.
the
There
whole
should
thing.
be a black load little bit more
Ma'am, you made
outside.
only stomach this full.
You have made a full outliner. Now for stomach, make it little bit more thick. Then done. Got it?
Ma'am, it's already for the stomach. It's already thick.
Okay. If it is same everywhere, just make thick for the stomach. That's all you can do. Okay, here for leg. Those who are going to follow my this, I'll do it by Friday. Tomorrow or by Saturday, I'll complete the design and I'll share it. You can just see and make it. Or if you're going to make it your own, no problem for me. So just tell me, I'll be able to share it. One leg is with the lines. I'm going to make little bit thick lines in the leg.
Ma'am, when will we make the texture?
Now we'll make it. Yes. Okay. We'll start with the texture. Everyone has the material or no? I'll do one thing. I'll just stop the recording and then re-record it. So I can share the textures recording separately for everyone. Now, here just give a dark shade here and below will be a straight line for the cloth and the nails.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
And make this very thick. Yes, what happened?
ma'am, those who are not doing with you, they also stop here.
Yes, no, they will stop now. You're not going to make the texture. Now,
No,
do
I
you
will
have, huh?
Ma'am, I will make.
Then stop it. Then do it afterwards. Texture is required for just clean your this all reference line. Remove all your reference line. Okay, I'll share the remaining of this whole pattern afterwards. Just showing for the legs. It will be the lines, sleeping lines, and for the nails it is.
Weekend, I just started the body, ma'am. Is it
After
okay?
yes, it is okay. Just complete it by Tuesday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Arish.
Like in the other leg, are we going to do the same thing in this?
No. One leg will have design, other will have a plain black. See, I'll put cross here. Okay? Okay, for now texture. 1 second. I'm going to share those who are copying me. I am definitely going to share by Saturday the whole design. Okay? For everyone, you can see and copy it.
Ma'am, what is texture for? What are the items? Because I don't show.
Yes, you can. We will require cornstarch. Yes, show me. Very good, Nandi. Yes, everyone can. Yes, Very good. Iraya, but load little bit of black in between. If you make
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
design, then it
I'm
looks
loading
like
it.
yeah. It looks like a plain. You have given a very nice one. Nicely done.
కొంచెం కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక బాడీలో
Very good.
కాన్స్టెంట్ చేసి బాగా
Yes, Arish, very nice. Nicely done. Yes.
నీ బ్యాగ్ ఒకటే ఇక్కడ అనుకుంటున్నాను ఇక్కడ నాకు బ్రష్ తీసుకుంటా ఇది
Yes. Very nice. Nicely done. Go slowly. Everyone go slowly. I just wanted to complete so that you can see and don't do like me. Every time I'm saying. Okay? Yes.
ఇంకా కొంచెం ఇచ్చా can we outline the
You can outline afterwards. That is no problem. You can outline from inside or you can load it from outside also. Once giving this. Okay? Now,
can we start the
yes.
texture?
Yeah. Now, for the texture, proportion is everything same. That is, if you take 1 spoon of cornstarch, 1 spoon of fevicol, and then you will mix it. Accordingly, it becomes 1 spoon only, but water you will mix it afterwards. So you take spoon. I'm taking it. I know the proportion. How much to take? Accordingly, I take. This is 1 spoon of cornstarch. If somebody is taking
Ma'am,
fine wheat flour, that is maida, we say. If you're taking that, then you're going to take less because what happens with that? Cornstarch doesn't crack after drying. But this part means the wheat flour or the rice flour, they crack or they
Excuse
shrink
me,
the
ma'am.
paper. Yes. Yes, yes. Grant, show me yours. You have not shown me.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we use food cornstarch?
That would be a food cornstarch.
Okay, ma'am. I am using brown portion.
Okay, that is no problem. You can use any one.
The black and white and the old design.
I will tell you. Grant, can you show me yours? How much you have done? Yes, what happened?
Now we have to do this with a brush.
Yes.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
kind of